Welcome to another 1 Minute Wednesday, where we try our best to cover one of Desk Director's many features in about a minute. This week, we will talk about how to set up an SMTP mail delivery account. Open the Desk Director admin portal and navigate to the email section. Then, click on Delivery Accounts and select New Account. Enter the name of the delivery account, choose SMTP from the Type dropdown, and click Create. Click Setup. In the host text box, enter the URL of the SMTP server. Then, click the port text box and input the port number. To enable or disable the SSL TLS connection, check or uncheck the box. Enter the username and password, followed by the message ID domain, for example is deskdirector.com. Finally, click Save to save the account. Click the SMTP account in the menu path to return. Next, click the three-dot menu and select Test to check if the account is active. Enter an email address to receive the test email, then click Send Test Email. To go back, click Email Delivery Accounts. To create a new SMTP account, click on New SMTP Account. To set the sender's email ID, click Edit, then enter the display name and email address. After that, click Setup. To set the sender's no-reply email ID, click Setup again, enter the display name and email address, and click Setup. That is how you set up an SMTP mail delivery account. Thank you for joining today's 1 Minute Wednesday. See you next time.